Welcome to the next generation of 3D factory simulation. Factory I/O takes PLC training to the next level, turning any computer into a robust PLC training kit. Plug, play, and explore over 20 ready-to-use industrial applications. Practice real-world control tasks without the risk of damage or injury. Factory I/O works with any PLC brand and the most common automation technologies. And you can even upgrade your existing PLC with this space-saving solution. With more than 80 parts to explore, you can build an unlimited number of industrial applications with as many I/O points as needed. Use digital values to start or stop machines and analog values to weigh items or control liquid levels. With Factory I/O, the whole classroom can gain access to industrial applications at the same time. Factory I/O is the next-gen tool for PLC training. Download full-feature 30-day trial at factoryio.com.